Okay, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. For today's set of analysis, let me just turn down the volume a bit. Okay. So today, actually, I went in a long position, which is currently up a little bit. Um, I don't think it's a very safe trade, to be honest. It's very sketchy right now, but I do believe that it's gonna go up. So let me give you some updates on the market in general. So first of all, since we are going up from now, temporarily finding a bottom, I'm just gonna use the Fibonacci retracement level to see the resistance and support. Okay, so first of all, why do I think that this is not gonna hold for now? I might be wrong. I think there's a high chance that I might be wrong, especially when you're following this kind of shit here. Okay, first of all, today is very interesting. We have this convergence right here. So at first around here is very sketchy for me to trade because you look at this shit, like you go up and just go down, it doesn't matter how it is. Like after this shitting candle come up, I put in along and I start to add in more position when it start to go up even more. So now my average price is around fucking 500. um, okay, so if we look at the market cipher, the money wave is still in the green, so we can still just come down a bit and just go up. It's very likely to happen, especially when you look at the 1 hour. The money flow is curving up right away. It might just turn green any second right now. So the good thing about moving averages is that you can predict like when, like for example, like these kind of resistance needs a lot of strength to break, right? So sometimes if you want to predict these breakouts, moving average is a good thing. EMA is like literally like all converging right here, and it's starting to cross over the long-term period moving average, which is a very bullish sign. So if you look at this, the volume, we have this huge candle upwards, then the volumes, the green candle upwards momentum, volume is remain high. After we started consolidating, going sideways or going down, the volume is going down lower. So there's just a clear action, a price action of washing away the weekends, and it might just go up after consolidating for a while, after moving averages have catch up. So that's my opinion, but there's no guarantee that's gonna happen. So it's just my personal opinion. So if you look at the moving averages, the actual moving averages, so if we take a look, the 15 minutes, the 30 MA is catching up already. 30 MA is pretty important together with the 21 period moving average. So 30-minute, pretty messy here. Okay, so if you actually zoom out, you can see that the movement average is quite close together, especially when we have consolidated this much amount of time. If we have consolidated this much amount of time, the move I do think is going to be bigger than this, so I think we might have at least one more leg up for sure. So if we have a one more leg up, technically we break out this pattern, we may see like the top here again, in my opinion, of course. So okay, if you look at a 1 hour, okay, if we look at a 1 hour, right, all the long-term moving averages are down here. So after a while, I guess if price can remain here, this is gonna start crossing one another, and this is very bullish in my opinion. Taking a look at a 4 hour, we have technically went above these two long-term moving average, which is the, I think, the 150, if I'm not wrong. Wait, no, 100 and what the fuck is this? 30, 130, I think. So there's a bullish sign. This was supposed to be heavy resistance and break right through it. So this will be acting as support right now. Onto the daily, we have clear break above the 7-day MA moving average. So we might see the next level here, which is 35,400 as the first target if you are in a long position. So that's about moving average analysis. If you look at the momentum analysis again, so generally the 1 hour is just curving up, very bullish. So this red dot doesn't really mean much, especially when the momentum can just stay here for a long time. So if you look at a 4 hour, obviously a green dot coming up. So if we want to have another pump up, is very likely, like for the momentum to like reach something like here, especially when the money flow have already crossed the green. 6 hours, money flow is curving up, VY is curving up, very good. The uptrend just getting started. 8 hour, beautiful trigger wave here, look at this. Beautiful trigger wave, money flow is coming up, VR just coming up. So I hope this is a very good thing and we can see higher price action soon. 12 hours, green, look at this, this is just so beautiful. The only thing that you have to worry about is the fact that the daily money flow is still very thick in the red, and yeah. Okay, so the momentum analysis is basically it. I do think that the price is gonna start going up for now, unless it's just, I don't know, man. I think the price should be going up, especially when the long-term momentum is showing that a weaker selling pressure and a much more buying pressure coming in. The money flow is coming in as well, so I do think that we might the likelihood of us going up is much higher. Okay, so price targets and support levels. Let's take a look. Okay, I'm just gonna off this. Go back to the 50 minutes. Okay, so the first price target I've set to take profit is here, 35100. It is a very strong resistance level, especially when the 618 is here and there's a resistance here. So it's very likely that we break through here, have a wick down. So this is a very good area to take profit, and there's moving average here as well. Look at this, resistance, resistance, resistance. So this is my first take profit area, and after that, the top. So after we reach the top, we can re-evaluate the situation. Okay, if not, if you drop, what are the support levels? Of course, here and here. So that's about it for this analysis. My, my long position is currently up 23 bucks. I don't know, man. It's a $4,000 trade. It's pretty big for my position, I guess. But because I'm still practicing on my short-term swing trade skills, so I don't want to use too big of a position. So yeah, that's about it, and let's see how this goes. I hope I don't get wrecked for sure. Okay, that's about it.